What's up, guys? This is LeetCode 122, best time to buy and sell stock to. Say you have an array prices for which the ith element is the price of a given stock on a day I. Design an algorithm to find the maximum profit. You may complete as many transactions as you like. For example, buy one and sell one share of the stock multiple times. Note: you may not engage in multiple transactions at the same time. For example, you must sell the stock before you buy again. So the example 1, we have an array with a bunch of stock prices. The output is 7, and it is 7 because we are buying on a day 2 with price 1 and selling on a day 3 with price 5. So the profit is the difference between these two prices. And after that, we are buying on a day 4 with price 3 and selling on a day 5 with price 6. And again, the profit is the difference between these two prices. And yes, as the output is 7, it's clear that we are adding both profit here. Example 2, it seems to be pretty much the same. And example 3, the output is 0, and is 0 because the stock prices here are going down. So the prices are decreasing, and there is no way we can get any profit here. Yes, we already did an exercise pretty close to this one. The difference here is that here in this exercise we can buy and sell a stock multiple times during this during our our for loop maybe. So we can buy and sell multiple times. And as we can do this, is like we are not being holders, we are being like traders. I can buy a stock today and sell the stock tomorrow and get some profit here. And to solve this exercise, the only thing I have to do is to compare the current price with the price of tomorrow. So I have to compare with tomorrow's price. Because if tomorrow's price is greater than the current price, I can assume that I can buy today and sell tomorrow and get some profit with this transaction. And as I can do this more than one time, I need a variable to save the profits. So I can just, if I can get more profit, I can just add the new profit into this variable. And I think that's the solution. So let's try to write some code. We can start by checking if the input is valid. So if prices.length equals to 0, we can just return 0. Otherwise, we can start to iterate through the prices array. And yes, we can start at the 0 index. So our I equals to 0, while I is less than prices.length and I plus plus. So as I said before, here we have to compare the current price with the tomorrow's price. And if the tomorrow's price is greater than the price, if the current price is less of the tomorrow's price, we can just, we can get the difference between these two prices and add into a max profit variable. So we can first declare this variable here. We can check if the current price is less than the tomorrow's price. And yes, as we are doing this sum here, I plus 1, we have to stop our iteration on the, not in the last item, but in the last but one item in this array. And yes, if we can get some profit with these prices, the today's prices and tomorrow's prices, we can just add this into our max profit variable. So prices of tomorrow minus prices of today. And when we get out of this loop, we can just return max profit. And I think if we do not have any typo, this is the solution. So let's try to run. Semicolon. Okay, let's try another example. Okay, let's try to hit submit. And that's it. So time complexity here is big O of n, where n is the length of prices, the array prices. And memory complexity here is constant because it doesn't matter how bigger prices get, we always allocate the same amount of memory. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.